Leetcode problem 540. So in this problem, the nums array is given in ascending order, and everything has a pair except for one element. So our goal is to find that one element. For instance, in this case, it has a pair. This doesn't have a pair, and then we're returning 2. Everything else has a pair. In this one, this has a pair, this has a pair, this doesn't have a pair, so we're returning 10. So what we are going to do, it's also, we need to, our solution must run in O log of n and in constant space. So instead of seeing every single element and getting the frequencies and returning the 1, which takes O of n, it's not a solution. So in this case, like, we just need to use, we can apply binary search. So what we are going to do is we will be defining the left side, right side, and the middle. And so in this case, we don't have to see every single element. We'll be comparing, for instance, like if the middle is this number right here, we'll be comparing these two numbers. If they're equal, that means like up until this point everything was equal, so we will be just basically skipping this one and moving our left side to the middle, which means the single element um, is it might appear after our middle. And if, let's say, in this kind of cases when they are not equal to each other, and let's say our middle was this element right here, this 11, and then if they were not equal to each other, that means we'll be moving our right side to middle. This means that the single element might appear before our middle point. And because we will be comparing the left side to right side of the single element, and we might need to run when we are dividing into half, the middle element being odd number. In that kind of cases, we'll be just decrementing it. So always we'll taking the left pair and comparing with the right pair. So for instance, in this case, if this ends up being here, we'll be just shifting it to the left side. And how we are going to find it is just by seeing if it's odd number or even number. So in this kind of cases, it's 0, 1, 2. So the left side of the, we can say that left side of the pair is always even numbered, and the right side of the pair is always odd numbered. So let's just jump into coding. Let's define left index, right, which is the last index of the element, will run until left side is smaller than right. And let's define our middle, right negative L divided by 2. So like I was saying, so let's try to get the left side of the pair. So if it ends up being odd number first time when we are finding it, then we'll just decrement it. So if middle element is odd number, then we'll just simply decrementing it. Now let's compare the left side of the pair with the right side. So if I'm just using this example, and it's not specifically this one is middle, it's just an example. So let's compare with that. And nums middle comparing with nums with its pair. So if they are equal, then we are moving our left side to middle. That means that the single element appears after the middle. Else, if they're not equal, Then we will be moving our right side to middle, and in the end we will just return the given number that we're looking for. So let's run our code. It's accepted. Let's submit it. Yep, this is it. So as we can say that the time complexity is O log of n, where n is all elements in num's array, and the time complexity is O of 1, it's constant.